Chicharron de Pollo. We got here? Mofongo de Chicharron de Pollo. Thank you. What's up going on, family? What's going on, family? We are at the new location of Taino's here in downtown Newark on Halsey Street and Linden Avenue. And I got some Chicharron de Pollo, Mofongo, and Chicharron de Pollo. We about to go in, y'all. Let's check it out. Here it is, y'all. We're going in. So this is Chicharron de Pollo. That's fried chicken. And I got some Mofongo, which is really plantain and some other ingredients. I gotta look it up. Let's go in. I'm gonna go into this Mofongo first. Just like baked plantain. It almost like baked and fried at the same time. Definitely seasoned. Delicious. I don't know what this is. Let's check it out. Let's see what type of, see what this is. Some type of sauce. We gotta get the name on this sauce. We got a little green salad right here too. So far, I'm happy with this, y'all. This place just had a ribbon cutting maybe 3 nights ago.
This is a monumentous moment for the city, for the community, for all of us.
Already I'm enjoying it. The senator just walked in, so you know the place is popping. Veggies very fresh. We're gonna check out the pollo next. Fried chicken. This is what's happening. It's like crunchy on the outside, but don't let it fool you. It's really tender too. Wow. Chicharron de Pollo. This is good, y'all. This is very good chicken.
We're taking our food to go.
Real simple, y'all. Mofongo, Chicharron de Pollo. Delicious. Here at Taino's downtown. They have 2 locations in Newark. We're at the brand new one on Halsey Street.
Come check it out. I'll have the address in the over here. Remember to like and subscribe as we go to different locations, different food trucks, different restaurants like this that serve in the community.
Look at that, man. Can you see that? I'm thirsty now. You know how you start eating some real good food and get thirsty? This chicken is delicious. The mofongo is really filling me up. On a scale of 1 to 10, they got a 10 in my book. Didn't need any salt. I don't know what this is, some type of sauce. It might be some vinegar and oil, and I did put a little of just looked like Thousand Island dressing on my salad, but no other sauce, man. Delicious. You definitely want to come by here. If you're in for some Puerto Rican delicacies, come by Taino's, downtown Newark. This is your man, Matt DV. I'll see you guys at the next location. That's all I got, man. Peace. Like, subscribe, like, or don't like and subscribe. Peace out.